Hello students, welcome to class 12 physics, chapter number 5 magnetism and matter. In this video we are going to discuss about the topic magnetization. Define magnetization, which is denoted by capital M, and give its unit and dimension. Magnetization M of a sample to be equal to its net magnetic moment per unit volume. Right, so this is the definition. Magnetization is nothing but the net magnetic moment per unit volume. Now, first of all, let us see what is the magnetic moment, right? Now, suppose we consider a material, right? And there are number of atoms in that. Now, if we consider only one atom, right? There is a nucleus and around it is orbiting the electrons, right? So, let us discuss about the electron that is orbiting, right? That is revolving around the nucleus in an orbit. So, if we consider that electron is moving in this direction, right? And we know that motion of the charge constitutes the current. So, when electron is moving in this direction, we can say that current is produced in the opposite direction. So, because of the current, the magnetic field is produced, right? This current loop, the electron that is revolving around the nucleus in the orbit in the circular path, right? So, current is produced in that. So, this loop can be considered as the loop, right? So, the magnetic field produced due to this current is producing the magnetic field, and the direction of the magnetic field that can be used by using the right hand rule, right? You can call your fingers, right hand fingers, to the direction of the current, right? That means this is the direction of the current, right? So take your right hand and right hand fingers and curl it in the direction of the current, and you can see the thumb, the direction of the thumb, right? That shows the direction of the magnetic field, right? And the same is the direction of the magnetic moment that we had already discussed, right? So magnetic moment is created due to what? Due to the electric current that is produced. Now we can see, we know two things, right? Magnetic field is produced due to what? Magnetic field is produced when we place a magnet, right? Then the field around that, right? The magnetic field lines are generated. Suppose we are taking a bar magnet with north and south pole, then the magnetic field lines are generated, right? Like this. And the other reason is when we take a current carrying wire, right? When current is produced, when current is passing through the wire, then around that the magnetic field lines are generated, and its direction you can use with the help of the right hand thumb rule. Take the direction of the current as the thumb's direction, and the fingers that is curling, that will be the direction of the magnetic field. So there are two reasons by which the magnetic field is produced. One is the magnet itself, around that the magnetic field is generated, and other is the current, right? So how this material has the magnetization, how it has the magnetic property. Now see, every material has, it consists of the atoms, right? And in atoms there is electron revolving around the nucleus, right? It is in motion, and when it is in motion, current is produced. That means every atom will be generating the magnetic moment, right? So suppose we consider a specimen, right? Let us take the specimen or a sample, right? In that sample, now instead of the atoms, let us write that in terms of the magnetic moment, right? There are number of magnetic moment in this sample, but they are aligned randomly. So what happens? These alignment, right? It is random, so it gets cancelled out, right? So net magnetic moment in that case is what? It is 0. The net magnetic moment will be 0, right? But what happens when we take this magnetic moment, right? When we take this specimen in which the magnetic moments are randomly aligned, when we place that in the external field, then these external magnetic field, it will provide force to the magnetic moment. So what happens? This magnetic dipole moment tries to align itself in the direction of the magnetic field. So when it is placed in the magnetic field, then the magnetic moment gets aligned along the direction of the magnetic field. So when the sample is placed in the external magnetic field, it acquires the magnetization property, and magnetization is induced in that, magnetic field is induced in that. So the magnetization M of a sample, that is equal to the net magnetic moment per unit volume. So vector M is equals to M net vector upon V, that is the net magnetic moment per unit volume. M is a vector quantity, magnetization is a vector quantity, and its unit is ampere per meter, because we know that for magnetic moment it is equals to IA vector, right? And I stands for current, so its unit is ampere. A over here, that is the area vector, so its unit is meter square, right? So magnetic moment whose unit is ampere per meter square, ampere into meter square upon volume whose unit is meter cube. So these gets cancelled out. We have the unit ampere upon meter. So unit is ampere upon meter. So dimensional formula will be what? It will be MLTA. Write down that. There is no mass, so it will be 0. Length over here is, we are having the unit of length as meter, but it is in denominator having power 1, so it can be written as -1. There is no unit as second, so it will be 0, t raised to 0, and ampere is there having power 1, so we can write over here as 1. So dimensional formula is M0 L minus 1 T0 A1.